Democratic Congressman Gregory Meeks of New York. Good morning, Congressman. Congressman Meeks, can you hear me?
I hear you fine. Can you hear me?
Oh, good. I was just checking. You scared me for a first second. Congressman, I'd like you to listen to something Russia's ambassador to the United Nations said about those recordings that purportedly show pro-Russian rebels talking about shooting down the plane. Listen.
According to them, the people from the east were saying that they shot down a military jet. So if they were shot down a military jet, there was confusion. If there was confusion, it was not an act of terrorism.
So it's a little hard to hear, but Congressman, what he's basically saying, you know, this was confusion, this was an accident, and if it was an accident, it was not an act of terrorism. How do you characterize it?
Look, what is clear is that the separatists, whoever pushed that button, whether it's Russian or not, is that they're out of control, and that this should never have happened, and that it is incumbent upon President Putin to either get the separatists back in control and or to make sure that we come clean so that all of the evidence is out front and examined by the entire international community.
Well, in your mind, is it too early to characterize it as an act of terrorism?
Well, I think that in my mind, there's no question that the instability that is taking place in the area has been created by the separatists. And this would never have occurred, period, had that not been the case. And so that's where the focus has to remain. You know, what you call the act is one thing, but the fact that it occurred is another, and what is taking place in the region. And the fact that it seems as though that we've got individuals that are out of control and turning a country into a place of turmoil.
Does that make it terrorism?
Well, anytime that you have these kinds of individuals the individuals that were killed on the plane and their families, and the non-cooperation that has taken place thus far, and I understand today that there's beginning to be some cooperation so that there's some resolve, but I like to get all of the facts and then we can properly classify it.
Your Republican colleagues, they're slamming President Obama for attending 2 New York fundraisers in the hours after the crash. Today, the president leaves for another set of fundraisers on the West Coast. As a Democrat, what are your thoughts? Do you think the president is striking the wrong tone?
I think that the president has been very vocal and talking about what's taking place and what we need to do, and holding Mr. Putin accountable for his actions and moving forward. I think the president is very much on the job, talking to all of our European allies and trying to get them on board so that as to follow our lead, we have already begun sanctions against Russia. To strengthen those sanctions, we need multilateral sanctions, and the president has been doing absolutely the right thing. So he's very focused on this agenda and this issue and moving in the right direction. So I think that the criticism on their part is just their politics as usual.
Well, some Americans might look at it this way. Look, the president's not running for re-election. Not many Democrats want to appear alongside him. Why doesn't he just stay in Washington to show Americans he is truly engaged? Because there's not just this crisis going on, right? There's the border crisis as well.
Well, I think that he's shown the Americans that he's really engaged. There's not an issue where there's a question as to where the president stands and what we are moving or what he is doing to try to address those scenarios. It is clear. You know, when you talk about the border security, you know, it's not for the president, it's now for Congress to act so that we can make sure that we give the dollars that's necessary. It is time for Congress to act. The president has asked for dollars, the money that we need to secure the borders and to make sure that we stop the crises on the border. So on that issue, it is time for Congress to act so that we can give the dollars that are necessary so the president can continue to move forward his agenda. He said clearly what he needs to be done. With reference to the international crises that is now taking place, the president just this morning, just last night, or yesterday evening, has talked about that we've got to hold President Putin accountable. So he's not missing in action. He's very much in action.
All right. Congressman Greg Meeks, thanks so much for your insight. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Let's bring in CNN.